Hello, Moreno. I think the big thing for us this year was this year specifically. We never look at world rankings because it's actually confusing, if you don't 100% understand it. And we made a bit of a study about it this year, and we really wanted to end in the top 4 teams. Well, ending number 1 is fantastic. The interesting will now be when the draw gets done to see what was the benefits of being number 1, 2, and 3 in the World Cup rankings. We're not quite sure. It looks like you can get Australia in Australia if you end number 1. So, but I think our first goal was, hey, let's try and be number 1 in the world at the end of this year or 2, and then player depth and experience and evolve our game a little bit. And certainly there were backward steps. The first game against Australia, first game against New Zealand. I do think Italy, not because you're asking the question, I do think Italy, for me, is a very underrated team. I think Italy I can predict, will be the either 2 or 3 in the Six Nations. For me, their team are on the up, and what we've experienced from them. So I think the only really sort of test matches, the Barbarians wasn't a test match. So we didn't have an easy ride. And next year we're coming back again, playing Ireland here and playing France here, and obviously England, Scotland, and Wales and South Africa. So I think we've learned a lot about ourselves, but our game can definitely improve a hell of a lot more in certain areas. But overall, I think goals achieved. But then again, we can throw everything away with a bad performance on Saturday.